If you held your arms raised for an extended period, blood flow would begin to struggle, and within hours, your fingers would go numb. Over the following weeks, the lack of circulation would cause your muscles to waste away, your bones to become brittle, and the lubrication in your joints to dry out, leaving them permanently stiff. Eventually, the joints would fuse together. Incredibly, some religious devotees have willingly done this, and once the damage was done, they could never lower their arms again, leaving them frozen in place like mummified limbs raised to the sky.